It's finally here. I start to live again. I can't wait to hear what the world is keeping for me.
Welcome to your new world. Are you ready to discover this new unheard world? That's my voice? My voice sounds horrible.
Hello, and welcome to the experiment of the beta earbuds. I will help you get used to the new sounds with a practical simulated experience. Press the start button in your remote control to start. Hello, Emily, and welcome. Let's get you started with some new sounds. Now take out the bubbles that are in your backpack.
What do you mean? What backpack? Oh.
To make it stop, you need to take out the bubbles and close the backpack.
You are going to learn how air sounds. You will have to blow some bubbles. Now pop the bubble. Pop the bubble.
Again?
You're so funny.
What's so funny?
You are funny. Okay. Now that we're done with the bubbles, now you have to walk to the lake. But if I was you, I would watch my step.
Where would I watch my step?
If you don't like the sound, you can always walk on your tiptoes.
Okay. It's the same sound but lower.
Well, I never said that it wouldn't sound the same. It's just funnier.
Okay. Okay, now that we are here, now what?
Did I mention that I love how you're always scared of any new sound?
Oh my god, shut that up! What is that?
Which sound? The music?
That's music? It's so annoying! Anyways, what are we doing here?
You're going to try skipping some rocks, so you'll learn the sound of the water.
Oh. They are laughing.
Okay, start now.
Oh, they're alive!
Trust me, they're not. Who knows more about sounds, you or me?
I'll trust you.
Cindy! Come here. Look at this dumb girl I've got. I fooled her into believing she was learning new sounds.
What did you say?
Nothing.
I hear you! And I knew something was weird, even though I knew no sound.
I'm here to help.
No, you are not. You know what? We are done.
You can't. You have to finish it before exiting. I wouldn't do that if I were you. You have to go.
Shut the fuck up!
You're gonna mess everything up. Stop it!
Finally, I'm home again. That was horrible.
We finished with project number 36. I'm ready for further instructions.